Good morning everyone, my name is Michael and welcome back to Jigsaw Childcare Online Learning. To celebrate National Families Week, I am going to show you how to make a Tic Tac Toe board game, which is easy to follow. I have gathered recycled boxes from my recycled area. At home, you can easily use recycled cereal boxes. For this case, I used a toy box. I used the back of it for the Tic Tac Toe board game. To make the board game, of course, I still need the recycled box, the ruler, and a permanent marker. It's pretty straightforward. Just make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 boxes, equal sizes, and we're ready to play the game. For your knots and crosses, you can cut out from the recycled material you have already gathered. If you don't have any material left, don't worry. You can draw or get your children to decorate other shapes to make it more fun. For example, I have made some circles from black colored paper, squares from green colored paper, and some pieces of wooden toys from the children's corner. Tic Tac Toe is a two-player game, and the aim is for each player to place their markers, which are knots and crosses that we've made, into a horizontal, vertical, or diagonal row of 3. The first one to do this wins the game.
Thanks for watching. Have a little time.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like our channel.